Okay, hello everybody, how are you? Welcome. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys an unboxing of these LifeWave patches. I've been with this company for about 15 years now, and these are patches that you can put on acupuncture points, but they have ones for pain, they have ones for energy, for sleep, weight loss, glutathione, so on and so forth. And I've been using them for years. They are effective, but last year a game changer happened where they now have this one called X39 that actually helps to stimulate stem cells. And as you know, you've been hearing probably a lot about stem cells and stem cell research, how just medical breakthrough is happening with this, but one of the things is insurance doesn't cover it. It's very, very expensive, and it can run anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 to do a treatment worth of it. And is it worth it? Yes, it is worth it. If you can help heal chronic illness or chronic pain, that is 100% worth the money, but who has $15,000 laying around? So let me just tell you guys a little bit of a story. Last year, I ended up using these patches and trying them out for only like a week or two. You put them on maybe at night, you know, you can do it at night or during the day, for 12 hours on, 12 hours off, and it stimulates your own stem cells for healing and regenerating. And as you get older, they diminish and your human growth hormone goes down. So what I'm doing right now is unboxing my LifeWave box right here that will have my patches, my new order, because I swear by these, and they've been very, very helpful. In fact, recently I had like this tendonitis thing going on with my foot, and I just stuck them on my foot at night, and the next day the pain's gone. So in this little box right here are some of the patches I ordered were energy. Remember the first time I tried this, I put it on stomach 36, which is a point on your leg. You put the white one on the right and the beige one on the left side. And I was going out riding my bike, and I had so much stamina, I could ride my bike, it seemed like forever. So these are the patches here. This one goes on the left, and those are all beige. And then the white one, you can just stick it on the right side. I mean, you know what, they're all, maybe I have two of them. Maybe they're all the same color now. Things have changed. I think they're all the same color now. I have to ask my person. There's one called glutathione. Glutathione is a natural antioxidant that is really great in the body. They actually test it with the C word. I really can't make any claims about this, but it's really detoxifying. It's really good. This aloe vera patch is really great for skincare. Carnosine is very healing as well. And the YH Eon. This one's really good to go with the X39 stem cell. But here are the X39 stem cell patches. I got like 3 of them. So I'm telling you guys, I only wore this for a few weeks, and now I don't need surgery on my knees. It's unbelievably amazing. Now I was doing some other stuff too that was helping my body to regenerate the situation really easily, but in it comes with directions, and it comes with the points that you can put on it, and I'll just show you. If you want whole body health, you would put it on Ren 6 and Do 14. So this is Ren 6 just below the belly button, Do 14 right at where the little bump is, C7 in the back of your neck, just at that depression. And you can wear these at night when you go to bed, and it will help you with whole body health. Now I was just recently wearing in those spots, and I felt like a little bit of a headache, so I had a little bit of a detox effect from it, so I knew that they were working. But what I did is just stuck these on my knee, and I have bone-on-bone knees right now. The only thing I've gotten done with it is those injections that kind of put a viscous solution to help with cushioning it, and that has helped, but I still needed surgery. And after doing this and several other things, I've done quite a bit of physical therapy. I now don't need surgery, guys, but this did help with regeneration. In fact, I told my surgeon about it the other day, and he is interested in looking into this because For a packet of this, guys, it's only, I believe, $179 in comparison to, like I said, between $5,000 to $15,000. Now, these patches each will last about 3 to 4 times. They have, you know, something that you can just take off and just stick it on there. What I do is tape them on. I just use regular tape and tape them on so I can save it, and I use them more than 4 times. You know, and again, you just put them on 12 hours on, 12 hours off, and the directions are in here. But what I'm offering you guys, if you want to try these for just a set of patches, one set of patches, I'll give it to you for 10 bucks, and they'll just mail it to you anywhere you are, so you can just try them. I'm really excited because I'm going to be sending this to my parents because my mom has some low back pain and she's got knee issues as well, and it's going to really be helpful for them at their age to do this. If you wear these and you're finding you're not getting much pain relief, a lot of people do right away. Some it takes some time. Sometimes they wear them all the time on the spots where they're in pain 24/7 for up to 30 days. And there's just been so many testimonies on this. They actually do have research that they've done independently on this. And I'm going to leave my website below so you guys can look at some videos and information about it. But you can add these patches to it, which is what I'm going to start doing, just for all over reducing inflammation, body pain, the YH Eon. So that goes really well with this. But like I said, I have been using these for years, and I've used them for my patients as well. I'm an acupuncturist licensed here in Arizona, and they go really, really well with it. But they work kind of differently than acupuncture points because these work off of frequencies and energy. They're very much energetic medicine. And the guy who owns the company, Dave Schmidt, he first developed the energy ones because he's an inventor, and he basically ended up working for the Navy SEALs and the government, and they were trying to find ways that they could offer them a way to have unstimulated energy for long periods of time when they worked on these submarines. And so they ended up, so they won't be caffeinated, you know, because it doesn't really help your energy. So he invented these patches that you wear, and typically you wear below the belly button on Ren 6 or stomach 36, which is on the legs, and they work really, really well. They do work really, really well. And again, you have to take them on and off. They only last for about 4 to 5 times, and when you're done with them, what you can do as well, because these are so good at deflecting electrical magnetic frequencies and radiation, you just stick the old patch on the back of your phone, and that will do the same for your phone. These patches can be muscle tested. If you guys know how to muscle test yourself, to show the strength of these patches, you can hold your phone while you're muscle testing it. If you muscle test while holding your phone, you'll go weak. But when you have these patches on, you go positive. In fact, I was just recently at a vegan retreat, and a couple people were into these patches, and one of them asked me to do muscle testing on her, and her muscle test came out completely normal. And I said, wow, I've never had anybody I muscle tested before come out completely normal. And then my friend Whitney was there going, Dawn, she's wearing those patches. I'm like, oh, okay, well, that's probably why. Now the YH, glutathione, and carnosine, these are really great for detoxification. Now this time of year, it's really good to detoxify. If you're familiar with glutathione, as I mentioned before, it is a natural master antioxidant that we produce naturally inside of us, and it's really great for your immune system to have this. In fact, if you guys know anything about cancer markers, they always test your glutathione, and they also test your HCG levels, which is like a pregnancy hormone. That shows high if you have issues with cancer in your immune system. So if you have a low immune system, your glutathione levels will be low. And I'm telling you guys, when you wear these, you will tell that you are detoxifying, but this is excellent for prevention of colds, flus, immune. You can't make any claims, you know, about the vid, but highly recommend these as well. The aloe vera, I'm not as familiar with this, but I know that this is, they have information here. I know that this is for looking younger. There's some information in here about that, so I'm trying to get a little bit more familiar about this. They also have some skincare that goes with it, but yeah. But the biggest thing I really wanted to show you was these X39 patches. I have a great testimony with these stem cell patches, and I really just, something was, you know, it was really interesting because I completely forgot that I wore these when my knees just stopped hurting. And then something kind of gnawed on me last fall going, you know, Dawn, you wore these patches, you ought to start wearing them again. And so towards the end of last year, my left knee started bugging me a little bit. And I said, oh, I should try those patches again. And I put them on, and then sure enough, the pain went away again. So, yeah, highly recommend these. There's something to it. And again, you can go on my website. I'll link in the comments below. It's lifewave.com/lifeharmonywellness. And then it'll explain more. But if you guys want a sample of these, just contact me, email me, or Facebook message me. I'll be more than happy to send you a set for $10 and mail it, including your shipping, no tax. So just so you guys can get a sample and just try it, because I think this will help a lot of people out there and in general, and it's a heck of a lot more inexpensive than doing stem cell replacement therapy. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a Facebook group called Step Into Your Healing. We love you guys to be a part of that. I'll put a link in the comments below, or you know, if you're on YouTube watching this, in the description below. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, also known as Step Into Your Healing. We love for you guys to be a part of that community. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Love and blessings.